A defibrillator is an easy-to-use medical machine that gives an electrical shock to a heart when it has stopped beating. Using it could save someone's life. Defibrillators are very easy to use and give you clear instructions, so you don't need any training to use them. If you see someone who is unconscious, not breathing, or not breathing normally, they could be in cardiac arrest. This is when the heart suddenly stops beating and pumping blood around the body. You must call 999 straight away and ask for an ambulance. If you know how to, begin CPR. CPR is a life-saving method where you press down on a person's chest to help pump blood around their body when their heart can't. The 999 call handler will tell you how to perform CPR and tell you if there's a defibrillator nearby. If there is, ask someone to get it whilst you continue CPR. Every type of defibrillator works in roughly the same way. Defibrillators all do the same job and come with these simple, easy-to-follow instructions. Step 1. Switch on the defibrillator by opening the lid or pushing the on button and follow its instructions. It'll tell you what to do. Step 2. Peel off the sticky electrode pads and attach them to the skin of the person's chest in the position shown on the pads. Step 3. Once the pads are attached, pause CPR when asked to by the defibrillator. Don't touch the person. The defibrillator will check the person's heart rhythm to assess whether a shock is needed. Step 4. If a shock is needed, the defibrillator will tell you to press the shock button. Some machines will deliver the shock automatically, so you don't have to press the button. Make sure nobody is touching the person while they are being shocked. Step 5. Following the shock, start CPR again straight away. Continue with CPR until the person opens their eyes, starts breathing, or when the defibrillator tells you to stop. This happens every 2 minutes, so it can check the heartbeat again. A defibrillator will only give someone a shock if and when it is needed. It won't harm the person, so there's no reason to feel nervous about using it. Using it could save someone's life. Remember, defibrillators are very easy to use and you don't need to be trained. Just follow the instructions, keep your hands off when the person is being shocked, and make sure you return the defibrillator to its original location. Defibrillators are available in many public spaces. There may be one in your school, community centre, local shopping centre or sports club. Look out for your nearest defibrillator when you're out and about. You never know when you might need one.